under this learning hub right here, you can see all the courses that are available now. We have something, so this is the Freedom Ticket 3.0. This actually shows you how to sell on Amazon and how to sell on Walmart. So we have full courses, in-depth, really incredible information in there, better than, paid courses that are out there. This is the PPC Academy. So if you get the Atomic, you're going to want to take this. We also have Exit Ticket. And this is kind of an interesting thing too, because it's planning for actually selling your business at the very end. So it's a very, very in-depth course. And this is for Diamond, I believe, only and above. So basically, this is going to show you how to kind of prepare your accounting and bookkeeping and all that great stuff to make sure that you have a really successful exit. So I actually think this is really good to, once you get started and you're selling, you've gotten going and you've gotten the hang of it, to take this and take a look at, what kinds of things you need to do to set up your business for a successful exit.
So again, we're going to have all the links in the description. Free trial of Helium 10, free account with the best discounts and the pricing page and all the relevant videos for the tools that we've been talking about today.